All I know is that, I can't remember his name, but he tried to overthrow the government, the gunpowder plot. That's all I remember from second year history.
Guy Fawkes.
To remember Guy Fawkes, of course.
To do with Guy Fawkes and Parliament, isn't it?
Blowing up Parliament.
Years ago.
Well, Guy Fawkes, isn't it? Yeah, that's about all I know.
Guy Fawkes, isn't it? I think. Blowing up Houses of Parliament.
Guy Fawkes, blowing up Parliament.
Setting fire to something or another. I know so much, I can't remember it all though.
Guy Fawkes. The Houses of Parliament, trying to blow it up. James I, was it?